Yeah, a little bit sombre. It was a real good effort, but I think into that wind is probably a 20-point wind, which is what they did. They scored best part of 20 plus points. So yeah, we know we weren't accurate enough today, but the big positive is that our emotion was there, and yeah, we tried hard, but sometimes that's not good enough.
How much did that wind have an impact?
Yeah, it's massive. We saw that against Pirates as well. It's a bit unlucky we lost the toss and had to go with it first half. We'd rather have done that in the second half, like they did. But yeah, I mean, just the kicking battle. I mean, it makes a massive difference when you're with it. Pin field position, things like that. And like I said, it's probably a 20-25 point wind. They exploited that better than us. Yeah, I thought at half time probably momentum after we kept them out was with us. We just didn't really come out the second half with the same sort of get up and go as what we had there. But yeah, I thought at that point maybe it was a sort of turning point. We could sort of keep them out, but yeah, I mean they're a good side, so we struggled. The 7 wins we have had, don't get me wrong, we played some really good sides, but Ealing a second, and we knew today that it was going to be our biggest test. You give them all away against a side that's second, you don't see it for 10 minutes. You lose a set piece, which we did. You don't see it for another 10 minutes. You miss a tackle, they score. So we knew today was going to be the biggest test of those 7 or 8 games. We come up a bit short, but obviously there's lots we can take from it.
And another great positive, we're in the cup, we're into the quarterfinals next week. What kind of challenge are you expecting from Bedford?
Well, they just scored 53 points yesterday, so we're looking for some more of the same D, I think, and we'll need it. But yeah, no, it's exciting for everyone. I mean, the fans as well. We've got a quarter final at home against another really good side. Against another really good side, and let's hope that we can get a lot of people here down to watch and sort of carry on our run. I know we've lost today, but it'd be good to keep the momentum going, which we've got in the last couple of months.